Hello guys, this is Mohammed with Patrick Hyundai in Schaumburg. Today we're going over the dash cam in the Hyundai Palisade Hybrid. Very nice safety feature. Of course, it's integrated with front and back. Good for if you want to make sure you're not at fault in a car accident or anything like that. Good for a lot of prevention of theft and all that. You do have the ability to look in here and kind of see what you have recorded. You're able to choose what you want it to have record. So you can have it on while driving, you can have it while parked, motion detection while parked, and you can also have it record driving events. As you can see, we already have a few of them recording. You can control however you want them to record. A bunch of settings you can mess around with over here in your dash cam, and you can kind of adjust how you want it to record, if you want it to record a certain time, how sensitive you want it to be with the motion detection, and if you want to export it, you just take the MicroSD out and you can plug it into your computer, transfer it out pretty easily. All right, this is your indicator for the dash cam. Just shows a blue light whenever it's recording, and you can press it down if you want to, like a little tap. It'll record the next 10 seconds for you. That'll show up under your driving events if you want to record some scenery with your family or anything like that. It is accessed through a MicroSD through the glove box over here. So when you want to access your MicroSD, it'll be under here all the way in the back. You'll be able to push it in. There's a sticker on if you have it new. It comes out like this. As you can see, 64 gigabytes. Pretty simple. And then if you want to upgrade it, can go up to 512 by buying it anywhere you want. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something new. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is Patrick Hyundai. Have a good day.